everyone, Brian here from Black Ops Toys, coming at you today with an unboxing of something that I am going to keep for myself. Ha! Yeah, so I haven't gotten to keep a lot of stuff in a while, and I've decided to keep one of these. And this is from an anime called Gantz, and this is Raika and Anzu. I believe I said that right, maybe not. But they're characters from the anime. So let's get into this. So they didn't make enough of these, and the US got very, very few of them. Okay, so this is the combo pack, which is 2 figures. So if you bought 1 figure, you'd get just 1 of these boxes. If you bought both, you get both of these boxes. And one's a little bit bigger than the other. Let's go ahead and get into them. So you can see here that it says 1/6 seamless action figure. So this is using a Phison body, I believe. Meaning that there's no joints. You can't see the joints. All right, here's the big unveil. Are you ready? There's not a lot to unveil. Not a lot of clothing on this person. So, let's see what we got. We got a head. This is a fantastic body. This is 1/6 scale, so it is movable. It is on a Phison body. Wow. You'll probably want to use gloves when you touch bodies like these, because they tend to pick up any type of pigment you might have on your hand with a Sharpie or whatnot. So that right there is awesome. Not a lot there, but what is there is really, really good. So we got some hands, and the weaponry in this is pretty cool. So you'll see some very unique weapons. Pistol. 1, 2, 3, 4 barrels. When one's just not enough. And we have a rifle. We have a display right here. Good detail. No moving parts on these, but they are very unique. Very cool. And we got some accessories up here. That right there looks like a choker. And these look like bracelets. And let's see what we got in there. Ooh, nice. This is a velvet stand. I'll show you how this goes really quick. Ooh, that's nice. It'd be nice just to hold your cell phone on. That right there is good looking, really good looking. Let's take a look at the head. Oh, that's a nice head sculpt. Beautiful. Gotta be careful here. Oh, there we go. All right, I got it. There we go. That's good looking. Wow, cute. Just a cute figure. Super cute. And yeah, I think that is a choker. Is that right? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Yeah, when all else fails and they come with directions, look at the directions. It's always good to look at these directions when actually moving these kind of bodies, because you know the points where it actually bends. Because this is all latex skin, essentially. So I'm just going to put it there probably refer to the stock pics if you want to actually know where it goes, but we're going to try that. There we go. Very cute. Yeah, those are bracelets. Oh. I don't know if she's left-handed or right-handed. Oh, we're just gonna do this. Ooh, man. I want to be careful. Fingers do bend nice. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Check that out. Just sexy. Ooh, except for that rooster tail right there. Wow, there you go. There's one of them. All right, let's get into Rika. Rika? All right, so looks like a twin. They are sisters, I think. It looks like long hair. We'll see. Same accessories. Ooh, looks like she comes with a really big gun though. All right, let's get into this thing. Check that out. Holy cheese whiz, Batman. That's a nice weapon. That's big. I mean, that's big. Big. Very, very cool. Let's see what else we got. Looks like she also comes with a stand. Looks like we got a sword. Ooh, that's cool too. Look at that. It's not metal, it's plastic. Injection molded. And same type of display. You can see they have their names here and here. I'm just gonna pop. Again, you can see the steel frame inside this. This is latex on top. It's a spongy. Actually, you know what I forgot to do? I'm gonna put these on. How do you like the bracelets? Let's just do a spin so you can actually see the whole thing. That's important. Sexy figure, not for children, obviously. Wow, very cool to have on display. I like these a lot actually. Very, very neat. See what the head looks like. Oh, she's cute. All right, so I'm gonna leave this plastic on here. And pull this out. Ooh, look at that. There we go. There we go. Wow, big gun. These two together. This right here is to actually hold one of the weapons, and it does bend. So all in all, I would say that this would make a fan-freaking-tastic display. If you're into anime, or if you just like sexy female action figures, then these are something that you'll probably want to pick up. We have one mitten box set left. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified of new content like these girls. Yeah, I think that is a choker.
Sure it's not a collar?
It might be a collar. Do I want to check underneath there? Whoa! It's there.